Hello, and welcome to this episode of the Superintendent Spotlight. We are here at Metro East celebrating the renovation and the ribbon cutting for the work on their auditorium. The auditorium is 88 years old, and it's a special moment for us because we continue to place an emphasis on the performing arts as we offer that here at this school for our elementary kids, but also something that we stress to get kids involved in at the middle schools and the high schools as well. We also want to remind everyone that this is the time of year where students are going to be holding special events and performances, and we hope that you get the time to go out and celebrate their work. They're doing it, and they're hoping to see you there at their schools. And also, one last congratulations to our Miller Bucks for the great work that they've done all season long in football, making it to the 4th round of the state playoffs. So proud of our students, our athletes, our administration, and our community. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of the Superintendent Spotlight.